intro.
Hi everyone, I'm Khushi Virani and I'm doing the Happy On Best Out of Waste Challenge, and today we are going to learn how to make a cold drink vending machine. So the materials for the same are cardboard, pencils, sticks and some strong glues. So let's get started. You need these two pieces of 14.5 centimeter and 4 centimeter, and one piece this 14.5 centimeter and 6.5 centimeter, and then you have to stick it like this. After sticking this, you have to take a 3 centimeter stick and stick it here. And then you have to take a paper like this, and this is 15.5 centimeter, this is 19 centimeter, and you have to stick it like this. After sticking this, it will look like this. Then we move on to the main body of the vending machine. For this you will need this piece. This is 30 centimeter. This is 20 centimeter. This is 6 centimeter. This is 15 centimeter. From here to here is 7 centimeter. This is 9 centimeter. And this is 14 centimeter. Then you have to cut out a 1 centimeter square with a cutter here. And this is 5 centimeter and this is 4.5 centimeter. And you have to poke a hole with a pencil over here. And you have to make 2 of these. And then you have to take this piece. This is 17 centimeter. This is 30 centimeter. Then you have to stick it like this. Then you have to take 2 pieces of pencils, one 4 centimeter and one 2 centimeter, and stick it here in these holes. After this, you have to go to the main body of your vending machine and then put the pencil through the hole which you had made here. First you need to apply glue. And then put it here. Then we'll stick the other side. After sticking this, your main body will look like this. Then you have to take two pieces of sticks like that, and poke a hole here and put it there. Now we will move on. Now you have to take a stick and put it here. And put 2 rubber bands here. Now you have to tuck these rubber bands here like this. And then we move on to the handle of the vending machine. For that you need these 2 pieces of cardboard, and you can measure it according to the measurement of your box and insert it here. And you have to stick these 2 together. Then you have to take this cardboard piece. This is 17 centimeter and this is 2 centimeter, and then you have to stick it like this. Now we move on to the back part of the vending machine. For this you need this cardboard piece. This is 21.5 centimeter and this is 14 centimeter. This is 6 centimeter, and you have to stick it like this. Now we will make a handle to this so that you can put your cold drink over here. For that you will need glue gun sticks, 1 centimeter each, and you have to stick it here. And you also need a candy stick. And you have to stick it like this. Now your machine will look like this. And now you have to take this piece, a 16 centimeter square, and stick it like this. Now you have to put this cover on top and put your Coke cans from here and stick it like this. Now our vending machine is ready, and now we can use it.